Hello everyone. There is lots of confusion in the mind of the students who are appearing for the English core class 12th. Yes friends, and the confusion is prevailing where this topic notice writing is concerned. The students are confused as to what should be the format because as per the sample paper issued by the boards, the guidelines given a marking scheme, format 1 mark, content 2 mark, the name of the organization of ideas will fetch you 1 mark and the accuracy will give you 1 mark. So this is the breakup of the 5 marks for notice writing. Now as per the format shown in the sample paper, the format states that the thing should be in a box, the word notice should be written in the center, the name of the issuing authority or the organization should also be in the center just below the word notice, the date of issue is aligned on the left, the authorization name and followed by the designation. Now दोस्तों in this the title, the heading is missing and the students are confused कि what should be the format of the notice. So I'll clear the doubts of all the students. Take this example, your senorita secretary school creative society of Somani public school. Write a notice for the 9th all India poster making competition to be held in the school on the children's day. Invent essential details. Now this question is there and how the notice should be written. First I show you the format as per the guidelines of the CBSE. Now इन्होंने ये format करने को कहा है. The word notice on the top, the name of the school, the date when this notice is specified, but the heading, the title is missing in the format. So दोस्तों एक चीज ध्यान रखना, please add this title or heading, give a heading or title to that notice which you are putting up. After that, put up the notice the way it is shown to you, all the specified details, what, when, where, what is the notice meant for, who is the target audience and so on. And finally, उसके बाद put up the name of the person who is writing the notice and then the designation of that concern. So this is the way the notice has to be written and this is as per the format guidelines issued by the boards in the simple paper, but इसके अंदर the headline was missing, so please add the heading over here. The other format which has been taught to you, the name of the issuing authority, the word notice, the date on the left hand side, the heading and the body of the notice. So this also is the correct format. So friends, don't be confused as to what is the format. The word notice, the date, the heading, the name of the issuing authority, all these things should be specified even though the first one, the notice was written on the top. Here I put up notice in the center, but it should be specified in the notice. So no worries for all of you. पढ़ाई शुरू करिए and best wishes to all of you. Thank you everyone.